Hey guys, it's Mike, Susan, and Christina. Let's wander. We're here at the Upper Newport Bay Nature Preserve here at Newport Beach. It's pretty nice so far what we've seen. Lots of noise. We do have John Wayne Airport. Sorry for all the noise. We're in a nature preserve. Check this out. It's a beautiful place. Hey guys, this is a little offshoot. Doesn't really go anywhere. It's pretty a cool little campsite. Set up the tent right there. Check this out, guys. It's pretty cool down here. Got the turkey vulture. Maybe he'll come up over the tree. Okay, guys. Nice little sign there. There's actually a lizard sitting on top of it, but you can't see it because I'm going got a mile in. Go down this way, you're on Jamboree in Newport Beach, and Irvine Avenue is a mile that way. So we'll turn. Nowhere to be found. Okay, well, we did about 2 miles today, guys, which is not bad. It's a good place. I think it's called the Upper Bay. I can't remember. I'll have to put it across the screen. But yeah, 2 miles. Wanted to check this place out. It's a beautiful place. I mean, but it's right here in Newport Beach. And check it out if you're ever in the area. Hey guys, lunch. Chronic taco.